Hi everyone, in this video, we're making a Microsoft Excel activity, arithmetic operation, sorting, charting. So let's start. Let's open Microsoft Excel. After opening Microsoft Excel, let's create a new book. Let's type Control N so that we have a new book. After creating a new book, let's start in column A, which I will type a random numbers or grades. Until row 10. After putting a numbers in column A, let's go to column B, which I will type or list names. After that, let's perform arithmetic operation using formulas. First is addition. Type in cell address equals A1 plus B1 is equivalent to value until row 10. So in column D, let's perform arithmetic operation subtraction. So let's type in cell address equals A1 plus B1 is equivalent to hashtag value. So it's also the same in row 1 to row 10. Let's try another in subtraction in row 2 and column D. So let's type equals A2 plus minus B2 is equivalent to value. So let's move on to multiplication. So let's move on to multiplication. So let's type in cell address equals A1 is row 1 column A plus A column A and row 1 times B1 is equivalent to value. And our next is division. Let's type also in cell address equals A1 divide by B1. In division, we use slash in division. Is equivalent to name. It's also the same in row 2 until 10. After performing arithmetic operation, let's go to the next step, which I will ascending the numbers in column A. So let's find data, select the row 1 in column A, and click the short smallest to largest or lowest to highest. And that's it in column A. Let's also go to column B. It's the same in column A. Let's click the lowest to highest or highest to lowest. And that's it. Our next or last step, let's create a chart in column A. So let's copy all in column A, find insert, and create your own chart. I will use 3D column. After creating a chart, I will change the chart title into my full name. And that's it. We're done in creating a chart. And also, we're done in making a Microsoft Excel activity, arithmetic operation, sorting, and charting. Thanks for watching.